Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel DIGI3. So in this video, we're going to show you how to archive your post on Instagram. So let's start the video. So first of all, I would like to tell you that Instagram gives this feature where you can hide or archive your post from your Instagram account. So what you have to do is first click on the post which you want to archive or hide. For example, I'm selecting this first post. So what you have to do is click on the three dots option on the right hand side top corner, and then you have to click on the archive button. So here you can see, when I go back here, you can see that the post which I have archived has been hidden from the Instagram account in the archive section. So what if I have to bring that post back on my Instagram account? So I have to click on the three lines option here on the right hand side top corner, and then I have to click on the archive section, and here you can see whichever post I have been archived is present here. So what if I have to bring this post back on my Instagram account? I have to click that post, and then I have to click on the three dots option here on the top right hand side top corner, and then I have to click on the show on profile button. So what if I go back, you can see that the post here is unhidden, which means it is unarchived and it is showing in the Instagram feed once again. So that's it everyone. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications for our upcoming videos. Thank you.